Oh. Okay, this is weird. You still see me?
Yeah, it says there's Michael. Is that you?
Yeah, I don't know why it says I'm Michael. That's my husband.
Yeah.
Let me see. Okay, I just clicked on that and then it brought me onto live.
Yeah, so this is the broadcast that I just started.
Okay, so now we need to have
Everyone else should join.
yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so I'm gonna put this in the email really quick. And hopefully she can do it that way.
And then maybe when she's ready, like we can like start a new broadcast so it's not just us kind of like fumbling.
Yeah.
When we turn it in. Because I don't know, I think it's just been staring at me kind of awkwardly.
Why I'm not getting one. Okay. Okay, I sent that to her, so hopefully she should. We need to like get each other's numbers. That's what we need to do.
Yeah.
Can you so on the Google Hangouts, like where I was saying like hi everyone and that stuff, like where we could kind of send each other messages. Can you put just type in your phone number and then we can add and then we can have like a group message.
Yeah. Yeah, I think all of our numbers are on that page. Where we had all our emails.
We signed up.
Yeah.
Oh, let me look there. Is it there?
Yeah, let me look real quick. I'm pretty sure it's there.
Newark? Hi.
Hey.
Is it Shauna?
What?
Yes, finally.
Okay, yes, finally. I'm so glad you found out. I felt so bad you sent me that picture of the crying person.
That wasn't my crying person, it was their crying person.
Okay, so are we live, Rachel, then?
Yes, we are.
Should we just keep going? I would hate for this to like just stop working. You know what I mean?
Yeah, for sure.
Okay. So I haven't heard anything from the other person in our group.
Is that Mark?
Yeah, I haven't heard anything from him. So maybe he forgot. I'll do like a group message, like text message on like Thursday, so probably be easier to remember. So, all right. Well, are you guys ready to do the group stuff?
Yeah.
Yep.
Okay. All right. So we'll start the quiz.
Oh, my laptop's about to die. Just give me one sec.
Okay. All right. So when you guys are in the group quiz, let me know and we can start.
Nobody had any questions about part 2. I missed that part.
Oh, I'm trying to think. Get my notes out.
I didn't, but I don't know if anyone else did.
It was pretty simple.
I'm sorry, my laptop's lagging a little bit.
Oh, you're okay. So where are you guys from?
I'm in St. Louis.
Oh,
I'm
cool.
in California.
Nice.
Oh, it's so
I'm
much
in Idaho.
so cold here right now.
I was gonna say, are you getting hit by the whole winter storm thing?
A little bit.
Oh, that's sad.
All right. So are we like supposed to be looking at each other while we're taking the quiz or just talking?
Doesn't matter.
I think you can just talk.
Okay, yeah, because I have like the group chat minimized while I'm looking at the quiz.
Yeah, I think just as long as we're talking to each other, that's fine.
Okay, so I'm ready for the quiz.
Okay.
Are we recording?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Making sure. Okay.
All right, hold on. Let me double check that because that might not go well.
On my thing
Yeah,
it
it
says
says
live.
we're broadcasting live, so I'm guessing that means we're
Okay.
recording. And I think
As
it's
long
just
as
we
long
go
as
back and like
we have to put it on.
yeah.
Do you want to put it on, Rachel, since you're connected to
I can do
to
that.
YouTube? Is that okay? Okay.
Yeah.
Sweet. Thanks.
All right, are we ready for the quiz?
Sure.
Yep.
All right.
All right. So we'll just read number 4.
Number 1 and 2 are basic.
Yeah. Which is okay.
Maybe we should read the questions out loud.
So you guys okay.
No,
That's fine.
everyone's got it.
Okay. I can read it if that's okay. So
Okay.
researchers would like to determine if reviewing material consistently within an hour after class helps students perform better on exams than if students wait to review the material the day before the exam. To answer this question, the researchers are trying to determine if an observational study or an experiment would be more appropriate. They are discussing who the population would be and how they will determine which sampling method would best represent the population. Which of the 5 steps of the statistical process are the researchers currently applying? So I think it's design the study.
Yeah. That's what I would say too.
We all agree on that?
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. All right. Next one. A researcher has collected the results of a survey where the participants were asked how many hours of TV they watch each day. The researcher tallies the frequencies for each category and computes mean numbers of hours watched. She then creates a histogram to help illustrate overall distribution. Which of the 5 steps will this researcher apply?
Is that the describing the data? It says she's already collected it. And then
yeah, so
I was thinking describe too.
All right.
Yeah. Okay, I agree.
You're creating the graph. Yeah.
All right.
India is quickly growing city of importance in its own country as well as the global economy. A marketing research firm has been asked by a prominent fast food restaurant to help determine if the citizens of Mumbai would support this fast food business. From a list of all registered taxpayers, 3,000 names were randomly selected. Each individual on the list is mailed a brief questionnaire. The researchers receive 1,049 responses. The population is,
Obvious.
I think it's the second one,
The
right?
citizens of Mumbai.
Because I remember in the which one was it? It was in the homework quiz or the like the individual prep. It had this question, and I put the first one. It's not the same questions, but it was something like this, and I had put the 1049, and it said it was wrong. It was the citizen. But we have 2 tries on this, so if we get it wrong, then we obviously know it's the other one. So
yeah.
I think it's the second one. Like, what do you guys think?
I think I agree with that.
Because I mean, they are trying to, like, they're asking all of the people, even though only the 1,000 people responded. I think the whole, like, they're trying to ask all the citizens. So
Yeah, it's the entire collection is the population, so that would be off.
Yeah, because
would
the
that be it then?
question is the same question except for it's the sample is. So I think the sample is the 1049, but the population is the citizens.
Correct.
You guys agree with that?
Okay, so
Yes, number 5 should be citizens. Population is.
oh, okay,
And number
and then number 6 is the first one.
Yeah, it's the 1049.
Yeah.
Okay, okay. Okay, studies have shown that retention of classroom material can drop as low as 80 or 58% within 15 minutes of class and within 44% after the first hour after class. This forgetting curve continues so that within 6 days, only 25% is remembered. How can a student conquer this forgetting curve? A researcher in this study claims that constant review is important. Suppose your teacher wanted to test this, invited you to participate in a study where you were asked to review specific material 15 minutes after class for 10 minutes, an hour after class for 10 minutes, and then again 2 days after class for 10 minutes. Your teacher gives you then a short 10-question quiz where your score out of 10 is recorded. What type of data is your teacher collecting?
It's quantitative, isn't it?
That's what I think so.
Yeah, I think it's quantitative too. Okay, let's see. Oh, maybe, or yeah, that's right. So then in this one, is he then records your response as yes, no, or not sure. So that's categorical.
Because categorical is like the variables, like gender, nationality, telephone number.
Yeah.
And then quantitative is like actual numbers then?
Yeah.
Okay.
So 7 is the quantitative and 8 is the categorical?
Quantitative
Yes.
is when you're providing numerical information. So
yeah.
The second
so
one
yeah,
is
7 is quantitative.
Yes, no, not sure that's categorical.
Okay.
All right.
Okay. Let's see. So then it's the same thing, but then your teacher also selects a group to give no review to the material over the 6 days.
They're the control group.
Mm-hmm.
The treatment group would be the one that she's doing this other stuff with, and the ones that don't do anything different.
It's the control group, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Which of the following would be considered an experimental design? Would it be the second one?
Yeah, the administering the tuberculosis vaccination to one group and giving the placebo to another.
I think so, because the other ones are more like.
First one looks like a question statement thing, and
Mhm.
The second one's actually like an experiment.
yeah, the actual experiment,
Okay.
I would say.
Yeah, I agree. Um, ooh, I don't know about this one.
I would
So
do
randomly selected workers.
every 10th worker. It's almost like a forced random, for lack of a better word.
Mhm. Yeah.
It's systematic. That's the word. It's like, what's it called?
Yeah.
I have to remember all the names.
Oh, I
I don't know. I was
know.
thinking it might be the many randomly selected workers in each of the several working districts, because that's like all the different working districts. Whereas if it was on the street, it might be.
People who don't
I guess
work.
it depends on how far you would travel.
Mhm. I think we should. I would probably do the randomly selected workers.
Okay.
But that's when we can look at. So number 11, we'll make sure we look at that one just to make sure. So when we take it again,
What's that one
we
called?
were right. Yeah.
What's that? What is it called? What kind of sample is that? What's its title? They all have titles.
So the
Is that the?
randomly selected. That's the simple random sample.
Oh, okay. I was thinking cluster sample. Which one's the cluster sample?
Oh, I think the clustered sample.
Confusing.
I'm trying to. That's the second one. All the workers in one working district.
Okay.
So number 12. You want to become the next Jonas something Salk and produce a vaccine that would help cure children of RSV. You test the vaccine and compare it to a placebo. A group of children to take the vaccine and one group to take the placebo. What or who are the experimental units in the subject?
The kids.
Yes.
Yeah, it's because it's the people who are.
That's who's getting the vaccine. So it's the kid.
You want to become. Oh, it's the same thing. What are the treatments?
The vaccine and the placebo.
Yep.
Okay. All right. So in 1992, the U.S. government supported a study where 4,608 low-income families were given a chance to move to less impoverished areas. They distributed vouchers and provided various support systems. The researchers wanted to determine if getting people out of poor neighborhoods would reduce the poverty level in the U.S. citizens. The low-income families were randomly assigned to one of the following three groups. So this study would be an experiment, right?
I think so. Yeah, because they were randomly assigned, so it wasn't just an observation.
Yeah, because the word assigned is what makes you think that, right?
Yeah. Because I mean, if it's just an observation, they wouldn't assign; they'd just be observing.
Yeah. So it'd be an experiment then.
Yep.
Well, because assigned it implies control, and observational has no control. So
yeah.
Okay, so let's see. So match the following. So the first one is, I've got it written down. So design the study. Step 2 is collect the data. Step 3 is describe the data. And then 4 is make an inference. And then the last one, take action.
So it's going to go 1, 2, 5, 3, 4. So I just threw me off because the steps weren't in order.
Design, collect, describe, make, take. That's.
Oh, they're like all out of order.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't like that.
Yeah, so step 1 was design, step 2 is collect, 3 was describe, step 4 was make inferences, and step 5 was take action?
Yes.
All right. All right, are we good to submit it?
I'm doing it that way. I don't like it at all.
I know. It's like kind of psyching me out. I want to go through it again.
I know. I've gone through it twice and it's right, but it's messing with my head.
Yeah.
1, 3, 2, 4, 5, right? That's what we all got?
I think everybody's is out of order,
Yeah.
is it?
Yeah, because my steps in order was
1, 2,
4.
4.
2, 5, 4, 1, and 3.
Oh my gosh. No wonder that's confusing. Yay.
Okay, so let's submit it.
I'm leaving it alone now.
Yeah.
Hey, we got 100.
Sweet. You told me right before it showed up.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Yay.
That's good. Now we don't have to go through it again.
So nice
Awesome.
this is with people.
Okay. And
Right.
is 6 o'clock work with you guys then?
Yeah, I like it.
Okay. All right. Trying to think. I'll text you guys before, just number and everything. And then you're good to Rachel to put the URL.
Yeah.
Sweet.
Okay. Sweet. Okay. All right. Well, we'll see you guys on Thursday then.
You
All
bet.
right.
Have a great night.
All right. Okay. See you guys.
Bye.